Hello friends, today I will tell you about the new operating system, Chrome operating system. Chrome operating system, formerly styled as Chrome operating system, it is a Linux based operating system designed by Google. It is derived from open source Chromium operating system and uses the Google Chrome web browser as its principal user interface. Friends, this operating system has a lot of features like security, simplicity, and its long life battery timing and built-in antivirus. And this operating system is very good and lightweight, and some of other features, it has inherently cloud and web-based applications. Chromebook has limited storage capacity. More Chromebook have less processing power. Student cannot access useful Windows compatible applications. Friends, these are some features of Chrome operating system. I will also share the link in my video. You can see more details about Chrome operating system. Friends, I will tell you about some feature. I will show some feature, go through some features so you can idea about this operating system, how this can be beneficial for us, and what are the main features, and how we can boot USB drive and install this